My metabolic booster number 4 is detoxification, and here's why. Clinical studies are beginning to show that toxins are one of the factors that can play a role in weight loss. Everyone here has chemical toxins in them. How do I know that? A study in 2004 conducted by the Mount Sinai School of Medicine tested the blood and urine of volunteers and found that everyone had at least 91 chemicals and toxins in their body. These toxins are stored in our fat cells, and while losing weight, we lose fat, and we liberate these toxins into our system. The toxicity impedes your weight loss efforts in 3 ways. Number 1, toxins slow down your metabolism. Number 2, toxins decrease your ability to burn fat. 3, toxins slow down the time it takes to feel full. The question then is, what can we do to cleanse and eliminate toxins from our body? The answer, detoxify. I have always been a big fan of using herbs, fiber, supplements, and diet to improve the efficiency of the detoxification process.